Good evening, all.
Good evening, ma'am.
Good evening, ma'am.
Good evening, ma'am.
Good evening,
Good
ma'am.
evening, ma'am.
Good evening, ma'am.
Yes, good evening. So 161 have joined. Okay, I'll wait for few more minutes and then I will start. Okay, till that I'll be on mute.
All right, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, so I think 195 have joined. So let me continue with the session. First, let me introduce myself. Okay, good evening, all those who have joined late. Very good evening to all. And my name is Ashwini Lakshmi. I'm from the talent transformation team. I'm working in Wipro for past 3 years, and I have handled 15 PJP sessions and more than 10 PRP sessions. Okay, so I will be the mentor for this PJP session. Okay, from today onwards till the last day of your PJP session, I will be the mentor. Okay, so first, I have some rules to be followed in my meeting. Okay, whoever is joining in my meeting, I have few rules to be followed. Okay, so the first and foremost rule which I have is I want you all to be muted. Okay, I don't want you to unmute yourself. See, just because the numbers are huge here, 195 are here, and many will join. Okay, actual count is 200 or 300. Okay, so still many will join here. So please don't unmute yourself unnecessarily. Okay, I think by this time itself, if you are hearing it, some people were unmuting unknowingly or knowingly. Okay, unmuting yourself when you're speaking with your family members, and it will be a very disturbance. Okay, it's a very big disturbance for the entire session, for all the candidates who are listening. So better be on mute all the time, and you have a chat box, and if you have any queries, put it in the chat and I will answer it. Most probably I'll try to answer everything. Okay? So that's the first thing. First and foremost rule, please don't unmute yourself knowingly or unknowingly. Okay? Now, the second thing is, you have a video option, but please don't power on your video cameras. Okay, which is strictly prohibited here. If anyone is just starting your videos, then I'll just remove you from the meeting then. Okay, so the second rule is nobody should power on your video. Okay, the third very important rule which each and everyone should follow. So if I'm just seeing your name, seeing your name, what happens is I can see some names alone, or few are just saying, few are just logging in with something like, what is that, 19 CT 40 and all. I don't understand. Okay, so what is the first thing? I think you'd have got from the PRP PMO team, PJP PMO team. Okay, I think from that even you can understand, but I don't know whether you are. I don't think so. You're following that. I want each and everyone to log in with your official personal mail ID. Okay, don't use something like 123@gmail.com or your college IDs here. Everyone should log in with your Gmails, okay, which you have given it for Wipro. Okay, only then it will allow you to participate in this meeting. Otherwise, it will simply block you, stating that your email ID is wrong or something like that. And then, very important, your format of joining your meeting. Okay, it must be name underscore your resume number. See, resume number which will start from 23 or 24 or 22, something like that. Okay, something like that, 22 or 23, something you'd have gotten resume number, na? You should mention that in the format. name underscore resume number. Okay, this is my third very important rule. So currently, if I'm checking it out, there are many people have not joined in the correct format. So I'll give you 5 minutes time. Quickly relog in with your personal mail ID which you gave to Wipro, and the format must be name underscore your resume number. Be quick. 5 minutes time. Yes, resume number is nothing but the super.
मीटिंग पे जाओ.
As I said, you can you please mute yourself, Arpit? Yourself. See, just because the numbers that you. Okay, I think most probably everyone have changed your names. So those who cannot, please change your format. Okay, and a few are just still logging in with your superset ID. For example, Arpit, Archana. Please relog in with your resume number, guys. Bala Ishwari, no resume number, nothing, only the name is there. Chandrasekhar, Viprojit Paul, Yamuna, Divya, Isha, Likita, Matrika, Meher Venkatesh, Pavan, Prarthana, and Prashant Kumar. I don't know what is that 47913 represents. Change your format. Pranita Das, Prudvi. In the session, mute yourself, Vishal. Okay, we will be starting a session today. Okay, see, as per the plan, okay, I think you have not got the schedule. Okay, so it's 31st of Jan. It's your PJP session starts at 31st of Jan, and most probably it will be ended by 11th of March. Okay, I will create a schedule and what are the topics we are going to discuss and where you're going to practice all these things. I will be sharing it you by tomorrow. Okay, from tomorrow we will start our technical topic, and today I will just say what is that we are going to discuss in this PJP session and what you can expect from me. Okay, so as I said you, okay, I think you got the schedule timings and all. 4 to 6 is the schedule time. Okay, your PJP session will be starting at 4 o'clock and it will be ending at 6 o'clock. Okay, no more after 6. I will not take even a single minute. So, like that, the same like that, you should join sharply at 4 o'clock. Okay, sharply at 4 o'clock. If you are joining, then we can end at 6 o'clock. Okay, so and I think added to that, you have some semester exams going on. Is there any semester exams going on for you?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Okay. So this is the timing, guys. Okay, 4 to 6 is the timing. Just join as per your convenience. Okay, if you have assessment, I'm not sure. Is there any full day semester exams? Not like that, no. So if you have your semester exam in the morning, then you can just join at 4 to 6. That will be fine. Okay, so you have college up to 6:20 p.m. Okay, then you should concentrate on that only, na. Okay, see, that's what. As per your convenience, you can join this. Okay, so see what we will discuss in this PJP session. So I'll teach you, I'll just say you that first. Okay, from 4 to 6, what we will do is I will be teaching you as per the schedule. Okay, most probably tomorrow's schedule will be cloud basics. Okay, so I will be teaching some important concepts as per your PBL app. Okay, I will be just teaching you the important topics, just not going through the entire PBL app. Okay, I will take 1 or 2 topics for a day and then I will teach you. Okay, we have 1.5 months for your complete thing, no? So we will plan it accordingly and then I will give you the schedule tomorrow and as per that we will discuss. Okay, one day 2 to 3 topics I will try to cover and we will just discuss about the questions which you have and all those that. Okay, so first 60 minutes I will focus on all your topics and then I will just next 15 minutes for your queries and we will interact. We will if you have any queries you can ask. Okay, and all those that will be done. Okay, and for 15 minutes, the last 15 minutes you will be having a quiz, just 10 questions. Okay, just 10 questions you will be having a quiz on a daily basis. Today you will not have because it's just an introduction session. From tomorrow onwards, you will be having a quiz for just for 10 questions. Okay, so just 10 questions. You will be having a quiz, and then you will be taking that quiz, and I will show you you can just see the results then and there. Okay, so that will be there. And okay, regarding to your queries, like something like offer letter, when I will get my offer letter, and when I will get my what's that? When will be the joining date? Okay, or all these questions. Okay, all these questions I will not answer. Now itself I'm saying you, I'm not the correct person to answer this. Okay, I am your technical trainer where I am here to help you in understanding the topics which is there in PBL app. Okay? Just a minute. Is my voice breaking for everyone?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am. Clear.
No, right? It's clear. Okay.
No, ma'am.
I think few are facing these issues. Please re-log in, guys. Whoever is facing this issue like breaking, my voice is breaking, that may be yes. No, my bandwidth is good. I think everyone are hearing me. Those who can't hear, please re-log in. Okay, yes. Now, coming to the queries which you have answered, like when I will get the offer letter, or when will be the joining date. Okay, all those things like PBL app not working, all these things. Okay, you can put it in the discussion forum and they will respond you back. Okay, for our session is just for the. I think someone is speaking. Can you feel the disturbance, guys? If someone is speaking. I'm hearing some noises, some background noise continuously. Okay, thank you. I think everyone are muted. Okay, say, so that's what. Okay, all these questions, your offer letter, all these queries, you can mail to this manager.campus@wipro.com. They will give you the details. Okay, if you have any issues related to your manager.campus, that is onboarding processes, then you can write a mail to your manager.campus@wipro.com. And if you have any issues related to your PBL app, I think you know what is discussion forum, I guess. Yes, I think they would have explained you all those about the discussion forums and all. Yes or no? Do you know what is discussion forum? You know. Okay. So use that discussion forum and put your queries over there. Okay. Whatever issues you have, the PDF is not loading, or whatever issues you have related to the PBL app, you can just put it there. Okay. And once it is if you're putting it itself, no, there are some team. Okay, where they will sort out your issues. Okay, so you can use that discussion forum for sorting out your queries, and this PJP session is for solving out or just solving out your technical topics only, not anything else. Only related to your technical topics, whatever we have. Okay, so please concentrate on the technical topics alone in our meeting. Okay, now again, Prakash, again, you see, you have PJP session and then you will be moved to a PRP and then only the project. Okay, so now itself you don't want to worry about this job roles and all. Okay, now, anyways, coming to your CISDC. Okay, you all have been allocated to the CISDC. So your stream in our Wipro will be CISDC. Okay, your stream in Wipro will be CISDC only. Okay, so just give me a minute. I will share my screen and then we will start discussing about it. Guys, I'm not speaking. Just give me a minute. I'm trying to share my screen. I have some bandwidth issues currently, so just please confirm me. I'm sharing my screen. Just please confirm whether can you see my screen, guys?
Yes,
No,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am. We can
ma'am.
see.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am.
See, better put it in the chat. Okay. I don't want you to unmute yourself and make a clumsiness here. Okay, please mute yourself if you have unmuted. Okay, so I'll just run a PDF first, PPT first. Okay, from that you can understand the details. Okay, and what time you can start it, and if you have some network issues, and what you can do, all those that. Okay, so uh, let me run this PPT so that you will understand. And a warm welcome to the PJP training for CIS. Okay, you are all under CIS stream. Okay, CIS or CRS, you are under CIS stream. And the session timings will be on every weekdays, only Monday to Friday, guys. No Saturdays and Sundays, no sessions, nothing. 4 to 6 will be there. Okay, 4 to 6 p.m. Your PJP trainings will be there, and 2 hours. And I mean, as per the mail you have received, and just a minute, I'm just getting some noises. So it's a very difficult thing for speaking here. Just a minute. Let me check who's that. Okay. So, as I said you, okay, 2 hours, and you got the link from your PJP team, I guess. Okay, the exact same link, whatever we are using it today, this link will be there till your last day of your PJP session, guys. Okay, this will be the till your last day of your PJP session. No, this will be the link. This will be the common link. No changes in it. Okay, no changes in it, nothing. Okay, this will be the link, and you can join at 4 o'clock and you can leave at 6 o'clock. This is the thing, and no change in the timings. No different batch allotments. Okay, if I am not available, then there will be no session, but the batch allotments, different batch allotments will not be there. Okay, so same link you can use. And the meeting etiquettes, very important thing. Be an active and respectful participant. That is important, guys. Okay, be an respectful participant. Okay, And avoid browsing other contents or videos during the meetings. I don't want anyone to browse the other contents during our session, which is happening now. Okay, I don't want anyone to googling it or finding something. Okay, please don't do all those that. Except your people have, nothing should be opened. And pause for others to speak. I think this you should be learning this, guys. Pause for others to speak. Very, very important. Okay, just give me a minute. So pause for others to speak and keep your microphone on mute if not speaking and camera switched off. Very, very, very important point. Until now, many are not following this. Please follow this step first. Okay, keep your microphone on mute. Very important point. And if you are not speaking, just please be on mute. Okay, and camera must be switched off always. And modulate your voice to ensure that your listeners can hear you properly or clearly. Okay, if you are speaking something, just ensure that you're audible to everyone. Okay, then just speak, because no, sometimes because of the network issues, maybe I can also face this. Okay, because of my network issue, my voice will have some shakiness or lagging. Okay, or my screen will get lagged. Okay, you can inform me if the problem is from my side, then I will change my network. Okay, same like that. If you have some problems, such kind of issues, you should relog in or change your network, and you should take the step. Okay, so these are the very important meeting etiquettes which you need to follow. And I think most probably these are the two types of connectivity you will be using it. One is either through hotspot, otherwise you will be going for this broadband connection, I guess. Okay, either hotspot or the broadband connection. See, I will prefer, otherwise this hotspot, it will consume more bandwidth. Other than that, no, you can also go with this USB tethering. Yes, I think you know about this, I guess. If you're connecting your mobile hotspot to your laptop, please go with this USB tethering instead of hotspot. Okay, that will give you at least a fewer bandwidth when compared to hotspot, guys. So just try to connect with USB tethering, that will help you. And understanding your network. Okay, if you're just connecting to your mobile hotspot to your laptop, then what is happening here? Check your IP address, gateways, and all those that. Same like that, if you're connecting with your broadband, then just check what's happening. Okay, you need to self study your laptop first. Okay, you should understand what is happening in your laptop. That is very much important. Okay, so that's one thing. And yes, see, if you just check it out, no, the consumption of your network, okay, is just little bit high. If you're connecting through an Airtel or a Vodafone or Geo network or whatever network you have, okay, if you're just taking your speed test, okay, for your mobile phone, you will be getting this 20 Mbps for download option, and 5 Mbps you will be getting it for an upload option. But what happens if you're connecting that hotspot to your machine laptop? Okay, laptop is your speed is just getting reduced. Only 50 kbps is given, and 5 mbps is given only for the uploading. Just full bandwidth, full thing is given, but for this download, it's just getting reduced. Okay, so just understand your network structure, what is IP address and what is happening, in your backend. Just please cross check all those that will help you. And yes, as I said, this USB tethering is giving you some good bandwidth. Okay, if you're going for this USB tethering, it is just giving you some, even the download speed and then the upload speed is just little bit good. So just better go with this USB tethering, guys. I think it's easy and you have it in our Googles and all. You can search it and you can find it also. Okay, so this is one option for joining through your laptop. And this is some more which you can test it out. Okay, if you're using a dongle with your charger plugged in, okay, please don't go with that, because if you check, if you can use your ping command and you can check your speed is not that much good. Okay, whereas if you're just keeping your dongle near to your laptop, then it is fine, it's working good. Okay, when compared to a dongle powered with a charger or a power bank, if you're using, then it is little bit slow. Okay, so this all just to know about your networks. Okay, and then again, network bandwidth issues. Other than this, also many will have some network bandwidth issues. Okay, so make sure your mobile network is not shared by others. See, sometimes, if you're powering on your Wi-Fi, if it's not secure, then everybody will connect, and immediately your net will be consumed. Okay, so check whether anyone have connected it or not, and then stop all applications which is using mobile internet connection, like automatic updates or in your settings, okay, in the devices, or stop all these things first. Okay, so stop all these things, and then stop all apps in mobile like Facebook, chat, and new tools. Okay, same, if you're connecting through a hotspot, please switch off all your applications, guys. Facebook or whatever applications you have, please close all those that, and uninstall applications that are running in background. Okay, for example, like movie download tools, like you will be having, the torrent, uTorrent, that all, no, you have it. So please uninstall all those that, then your speed will be good. And in your personal laptop, you can stop all these services also. That will also help you. You can stop your theme service, computer browser, print spooler, and Windows search. These are the most of the services which is consuming your network, guys. So if you are using your laptop, then you can just stop all these services. Okay, see, these are the steps we are just providing you to get a good bandwidth. Okay, so if you want, just follow all these steps, it will be better. And okay, this is your WebEx. Okay, noise cancellations. Again, in WebEx, you have an option. Okay, see, if you are connecting through desktop or the laptop, click audio options. Okay, and click on settings and check remove background noise. Okay, you can click on settings and you can have an option called remove background noise. Please check that. Or if you're connecting through your mobile phone, you have an option called remove background noise here. Okay, again in the settings. So please use this, so it will help you. Okay, suppose unknowingly if you're unmuting yourself also, we will not hear any background noises. So better do this. Remove your background noises, which will be helpful for everyone in our meeting, whoever it is. And I think those who don't know how to access your PBL app, and this is the link: https talentnext.wipro.com/PBL app is the link. Okay, I think I'm not going to explain this, but because you have an orientation and you add all those that, I guess. So anyways, if you're just giving this link, it'll ask you to give your email address and password. So better, one solution I will provide you is, whenever you're trying to access your PBL app, clear your browsing history completely. Okay, clear your browsing history completely. That will help you. Okay, not completely in the sense your data, your cache, your cookies, everything. Okay, not only the history of whatever you have used. Okay, you should delete your passwords, everything you should delete, then it will work fine. So, give your own email address which you have registered with Wipro's PBL app, and then just give the password. You can sign in, and it'll ask you again. I guess it'll ask you again to just give your passwords, username and password, mail ID and password, and then it will take you to the page where you can give your resume number over there. Okay, resume number which starts from 23 or 22 or 24 or 21. Okay, you can use that and you can log in. So these are the steps for logging in into your PBL app. Okay, and whatever is there in the PBL app, we are going to discuss all those topics from tomorrow. Okay, so that's one thing. And sorry, yes, best practices while accessing PJP. Okay, what is the first best practice which you can do is kindly read the complete document that you have got regarding the PBL app. Okay, that is important. And make sure your browser is updated as per the following, guys. See, PBL app will have some issues if it's not updated. Your Edge or Chrome, if it is not updated, then also you will have the issues. So check whether it's Chrome version 94 and Edge version 94. Okay, if you're going to try it in Edge, please update this Edge version to 94 and Chrome also to 94. Then only it will work good. Okay, and see, I'll show you. See, many what they will do is, okay, many of them know what you will be doing is simply you will search for PBL app. I guess. Yes, I think I have seen many of them like this. Okay, please don't use this. Okay, or you have some unofficial websites rolling around in the Google. Okay, please don't try all those. That you type the link in the search bar, and that will help you. Okay, you type the link here. Okay, simply if you're typing the link here, also it will not work. Talentnext.wipro.com and all, it will not work here. Okay, if you're just typing here and selecting this, it will not work. Okay, so please go with the link which we have shared with you, talentnext.wipro.com/pbl app. Just please go with that particular thing. Okay, and yes, check your DNS servers for your accessing your PJP. Time it solution we have. And yes, any of the below can cause interruption to our meetings. Okay, power outage at your home or at my home. Okay, or if you're doing some tasks. Okay, if the application is not running or something like that, we have some session interruptions. Otherwise, background noises. Okay, see again, this is the reason I've just blocked everyone from unmuting, I guess. I think you can see how many of them are unmuting and then they're not muting also. Okay, if I'm muting them also, again they're unmuting. Okay, and I'm hearing some only background noises, something like a knock sound or just a door sound or something like that. Okay, that will be a greatest disturbance, guys. Added to that, okay, I can hear you talking with your family members in different languages also. Okay, that all, please stop all those that. Okay, just ensure whether you are on mute or an unmute. Just check it always. Okay, just check always whether you are just continuing. Mean whether you're speaking, then please cross check whether you are on mute or an unmuting. Okay, and please say your family members that for 2 hours I am there in the session. So please, just sit in a private place where only you alone will be there. Okay, not your family members entering into the room or somewhere. Okay, and that is very much important, guys. And I will not allow anyone attending the sessions while traveling. Okay, see, if you are willing to attend the PJP sessions, then just understand. See, we have given the schedule that from today till March 11th, approximately, you will be having your session. Okay, so till that, 4 to 6, you are occupied. Okay, I don't want anyone traveling and then hearing it. Okay, if I'm unmuting you, if I'm saying you to unmute or just asking some questions, then someone will say, I'm just traveling, so I cannot share my screen or I cannot speak or something like that. I don't want all these reasons. Okay, if I'm calling out your name, you should be in the position to answer me. Simply joining the meeting and sitting simply or sleeping will not work here, guys. Okay, if you're joining at 4 o'clock and then from there till 6, if I'm calling out any name, you should be in the position to respond back. It is must. If you're not responding, then simply I will remove you from the meeting. I have an option for that, and you cannot join back at all. Okay, only with the permission of me you can join. Okay, so some restrictions I'm just giving you. Okay, just keep all these things in your mind, and this will continue till your PJP training is getting over. Okay, so that can cause you trouble, TV background noise, or the family members talking loud, or you talking to your family members, or the traffic noises, or the internet connectivity. Yes, no, that's a greater biggest deal here. Okay, so maybe your ISP provider is having some problem, or mobile internet, or website issues. Like suppose no, not only Top Gear, whatever we use. Okay, if it's not working properly, then or I think remote desktop is not given to you. Slow speed or Cisco WebEx outage, then we will go with MS Teams as backup. But I think there will be no such cases, I guess. WebEx is working perfectly. And if anything like that, I will inform you prior, guys. Okay, if I feel that WebEx is not going to work, then I'll help you. I'll just create MS Teams and then I'll give it to you. Okay. So these are some of the internet connectivity issues where we can get. So there will be some interruptions while training. And then audio visual, mute or unmute unknowingly. Yes, this is a very big deal here. Until now, many are doing it. And someone else muting you, I think this option is not possible at all, guys. Okay, this option is not possible. Latency in audio visual, just please cross check that. Okay, whenever you're just speaking, you should cross check whether your latency is good or not. Okay, so these are the important points which you want to remember while your PJP session is going on. Okay, so I've just covered the important points, and yes, before starting the session, I have few more topics to be discussed. Okay, let me stop the sharing, and I have few more topics to be explained to you. Okay, actually, just give me a minute. Okay, and see, I think many will be thinking this. Okay, see, the official chat, okay, which we have in Wipro is your Teams application only, guys. We will not be using any WhatsApp. So I don't want anyone, okay, anyone in my meeting. I don't want anyone to just speak about WhatsApp groups or please join in the WhatsApp group. I don't want any such kind of messages rolling around. Okay, please be careful with that. Okay, see, just think that okay, in our WebEx, I should not see any statement like please join this WhatsApp group. This is the link. I have seen many doing this, but I'm just strictly warning you here. Please don't do all those such kind of things. Okay, and one more thing, Wipro is a professional company. Okay, an organization where we will speak only English. Okay, our global language is English. So I will continue with English, and I will expect you all to speak English only. Okay, if you are speaking in some other language, then I will speak my own language then. Okay, so to avoid that, better we will communicate in English. And I don't want anyone chatting with your friends or colleagues, whoever is there in the meeting, okay, with some other languages. I should not see anyone like that. Okay, even if you're speaking with me or to yourself, only in English. Okay, see, not only in the PJPs, even after you're joining Wipro, that's your PRP training. Okay, everywhere, only English. Okay, now anything else I missed it out? Okay, I think few were asking about what is this PJP and what is this PRP and all. See, PJP is nothing but it's called pre-joining program, guys. Okay, PJP in the sense it's called pre-joining program. Okay, whereas PRP in the sense it's called project readiness program. Okay, once after completing your PJP, you will be directed to your PRP team. Okay, and then from the PRP only you will be allocated to your project. That is, we are making you prepared for your project. Just like a foundation, we are just making you to just set your foundation. Okay, so that is the work of this PJP and PRP. Okay, and I think few were asking about this also. Like I was before allocated to Java, and now I am allocated to CIS. Okay, I think many have these confusions also. See, that is because as per the Wipro's requirement, as per the demand of the project, you all have been mapped to the CISDC. Okay, those who have learned Java before or those who have done this earlier, okay, you are mapped to the CISDC because there is a huge demand for CISDC. Okay, and if your PJP training is in CISDC, then PRP training also will be in CISDC only. Okay, so and some questions I'm just getting it. See, and one more question: you cannot change your stream in any case. Okay, you cannot change your stream in any case. Whatever Wipro is allocating to you, you should just read on to that, and based on the PBL app contents, we will study. Okay, see, this CISDC is cloud infrastructure service. Okay, where we will not have. Okay, we will not be. Okay, we will not be having any hands-ons. We will have hands-ons. We will not have any programming languages. Okay, there is no programming languages which is there, guys. Okay, we have only theory topics. Added to that, we will have some hands-ons. Like cloud is there, IT infra overview, where from that you can understand what is CISDC and what is that you're going to study in your CISDC. Everything you will understand. Okay, and then we have Unix basics, we have Linux admin, we have Windows advanced, networking advanced, database, storage, backup, and ITIL. Okay, so these are the topics which we have. Okay, so these are the topics which we have in our CISDC. And as per that, you will be allocated to your project. Whatever you're studying here, no, like Unix or Linux or networking or Intel or whatever it is, as per that, you will be allocated to your project. Okay, so these are the topics we will be discussing. There is no programming concepts here. Okay, there is no Python, there is no C or Java or whatever it is. There is nothing like that. Okay, but in this infrastructure topics, whatever we are going to discuss, we will have hands-ons. Okay, how to configure it. You will have some commands in Unix basics. In Windows, we have some common steps to be done. Okay, so we have all those terms which is there. Okay, so that's what, and I'm just taking few questions from your chat, okay, which can be answerable by me. Okay, and one question here is, can you please share me the recordings? Okay, I'm just getting some queries like that. If we cannot join the meeting, then can we see the recordings? You cannot. Okay, there is no recording option available. Okay, we are not recording the sessions. Okay, we will not record the session. So only option is, if you want to understand the topics, you should join the session and you should take notes. Okay, you should take notes. That's the only thing you can do. And what if someone have interested in programming, not in cloud? See, Mehak, you have been allocated to your CIS and you should study CIS only. Okay, you have been allocated to CIS, then you should go ahead with CIS only. Okay, Wipro's demand is that, and you cannot change your stream as like that. Okay, whatever Java or whatever it is. See, what is that you want to submit it? Okay, what is that you want to submit it is. See, I think if you have checked your PBL app, okay, you will have some tasks on each topic below. Okay, see, for example, if you take Unix basics, okay, and if you click on tasks, there are lots and lots of tasks which is there. Okay, there are lots and lots of tasks which is there. Just try to do all those tasks then and there whenever I'm completing the topic. Okay, and once after, just take your screenshots and keep it ready. Okay, and you can upload that. And if you cannot upload, then just wait it. Okay, I will say where to upload and then you can upload it. Okay, and is there any attendance for the session? Yes, for sure. Yes, guys. See, every day as per you are present. Okay, like if you are present from 4 to 6 completely 2 hours, then we will provide you the attendance. Okay, then we will provide you the attendance as per how much time you are there in the meeting. Okay, so we will have an automatically we will have a report whoever is joined in this meeting. So with that we will be sending the attendance report to your concerned project members or the PMO teams. We will share it. So attendance is very much mandatory, guys. See, as I said, CIS, DC, we will discuss it in detail when we are just going with IT infra overview. Okay, today we are just giving you an overview of what is that we are going to study and all those that. Okay, and answering few questions which you are having it. Okay, so tomorrow onwards, I'm not going to answer any such kind of questions, only related to your technical topics. If any, then we will discuss. Otherwise, no. And I think Suraj, I'm very clear about it. When we'll be receiving our offer letters, I'm not the right person to answer this. Okay, I'm not from your HR team, or I'm just your technical person. Okay, you can mail to manager.campus and get it resolved. Yes. See, after completing this PJP course, you will be having your assessments, guys. Okay, one assessment they will be keeping it. Okay, so just give me a minute. guys, as I said, like code completion tracker. Okay, I think that is under maintenance. Okay, so just do the tasks and keep it ready with you. And once after we are just giving you a new link, okay, you can upload it. Okay, you can just do the task in your text format. Just open a notepad or a Word document and paste your screenshots, and that will be fine. Okay, so that's what. And anything else? Okay, guys, those who are having colleges till 6:20 or like that, okay. See, there is no other go. Anyways, you want to concentrate on your colleges only. See, we have multiple batches running, but every batch timing is only 4 to 6. Okay, I will let you know what needs to be done maybe by tomorrow. Okay, I will let you know what to be done by tomorrow. Okay, you can join the session if possible and just understand whatever I'm just teaching you. Okay, anyway, I'm not going to teach you all the topics, guys. Just don't come with that mind. Okay, I'll just teach you the important topics. Okay, so Mukesh Kumar, I think no, in your PBL app itself, okay, in your PBL app itself, you will have some expiry dates. Within that, you should complete it. If you're not completing within that, then your PBL app will get expired. Okay, check it out. Whoever is having PBL app issues, just put it in the discussion forum, and they will just resolve your issues. Exam details, you will have your exam, okay, after your PJP and before your PRP training is going to get started. You will have your exams. MCQ questions it will be, multiple choice questions it will be. Tomorrow we will be discussing cloud basics. I will share you the schedule by tomorrow, guys. The same concepts, the topics are there in the PBL app. I will let you know how many days we will discuss. That's it. Okay, cloud and all only one day will be discussed. IT infra only one day. And what else? Wintel or Wintel Advance. For that alone, no, we will extend the timing. So I will let you know tomorrow. See, Raghu Verma, please stop that. You cannot download any contents from your PBL app. PBL app is just only to go through. Okay, go through in a live manner. That's it. You cannot download it. Okay, you will not be able to download it, and please don't try that also. See, you can worry about this Deepti only after I'm just saying you the date. Okay, now itself, please don't just think about that. Okay, your date will be confirmed from the PMO team, and based on that, you can decide if you have assessments or not. Okay, see, guys, and one good question. See, Vishal, did I said you to leave now, Vishal? I think your session timing is from 4 to 6, Vishal, I guess. Yes? Guys, I should not hear any questions like this, ma'am, can I leave now? Okay? First day itself, I'm saying you very clearly, okay? If I'm just going to leave, I'll say you can leave. Okay? I will give you a statement like you can leave and then you can leave. Till that, keep quiet. Okay? If you are not willing to listen, you can leave, no worries. Anyways, coming to the tasks, coming to the hands-ons. Okay, see, we have Wintel, we have Linux, we have what else? Wintel, Linux is there, and we have database. For all these things, we have hands-ons, guys. Even for networking, we have some hands-ons. Okay, so for this Wintel, okay, for this Wintel and for this Wintel alone, what you can do is, if possible, if it is 8 GB of RAM, okay, if your machines are 8 GB of RAM, okay, if your laptops are 8 GB of RAM, then you can go ahead and install a tool called Oracle VirtualBox. Okay, and in your PBL app itself, they would have given you where to download it and what is the ISO file which you want to download. Just go through the PBL app. Okay. Anyways, I will repeat the same whenever I'm just teaching you Wintel Advanced, or day before I'm teaching you Wintel Basics or Wintel Advanced. Okay, but I'm just clearly saying you need a laptop for practicing it, guys. Without a laptop, it's very difficult. Okay, if you want to do the task, then you need a laptop for practicing it, which at least it must be 8 GB of RAM. If it's 4 GB of RAM, yes, you can try it, but it will be very slow. Okay, if it's 8 GB, then well and good. Otherwise, 4 GB, it's more or less okay, but it will be little bit slow. And so for Wintel Advanced and all, we want Oracle VirtualBox. So better try to install from now onwards. Okay, whenever I'm just saying you to download Oracle VirtualBox, then you will be ready with it, no? So we can directly continue with your tasks or the hands-ons. Okay, so just download all these things whenever you are comfortable, or whenever you have time, whenever you have bandwidth. Okay, the main things which we want is Oracle VirtualBox 6.0 version. Okay, Oracle VirtualBox 6.0 version, and you will be also needed your ISO files. Okay, Windows 10 ISO, Windows Server 2016 ISO, even RHL 7.3 ISO we want. Okay, anyways, if you want, I'll put it in the chat. You can cross check Win 10 Enterprise ISO we want, and we want Windows Server 2016 ISO and RHEL 7.3 ISO. Okay, and Oracle VirtualBox is important. So these are the common things which we want. Okay, you better start searching now itself and be ready. Okay, just by I'll share you the schedule tomorrow, and from that you can understand what all you want and what is that you want to do. Okay, so with that you can understand. So I'm just saying you now itself what are the things we want. Okay, so these are the things, and one more I forgot. We want packet tracer also, guys. Okay, for networking advanced. Other than that, for Unix basic, for database and all, you can use your online tools. That will help you. Okay, that will be helping you. But for this Wintel, for this Linux and all, no, you want to install some tools, applications, and the ISO files, respective ISO files. Okay, so please make a note of it. Okay, and just start downloading now itself. Okay, you have just download Oracle VirtualBox today, and tomorrow you can install the ISO files. Okay, so you can try all those that. Yes, Sudeep, I guess Oracle will be running in Mac OS also. You can just cross check. Try to install Oracle VirtualBox in your Mac. Okay, I think I've said you the needed applications. So if possible, try to be ready. Okay. detailed syllabus of your exam. See, whatever is there in your PB lab, that's it, guys. See, you will be submitting your hands-on assignments in your Word document or either in the text. Okay? Only these two. See, Samir, I think I'm answering your question, I guess. Okay. You are going to study cloud, you're going to study Windows, you're going to study Linux, you're going to study networking, you're going to study database, ITIL, storage, backup, not only cloud. We have all these topics to be discussed, and based on these one topic, you will be allocated to your project. Okay? Just give me a minute. Guys, you will be provided with laptop, but once after you're joining Wipro, once after onboarded, till that you will not get your Wipro laptops. Shrinjoy, see, if suppose you have your semester exams going ahead, then if you want to prepare for it, then there is no other go. You cannot join here, na? So that is okay. But whenever you are free from your other topics, okay, just make time for 4 to 6 and please listen the session. That's what I will suggest you. Guys, PBL app is working perfectly fine. Clear your browsing history and try, it will work. See, and again, I'm repeating this again. Okay, I'm just repeating this again. See, your name of your format of your name. Okay, when you're joining when you're joining this WebEx meeting, na, that is very much important. If you are not joining with the proper format, that is name underscore resume number, I'm not going to give you to that particular day attendance. Okay, very simple as like that. Okay, so I can see many till now many are logging into the something like 183 and all. Okay, I can name them, but I don't want to name them. Please relog into the proper format, guys. Okay, name underscore your resume number must be the proper format. Simply a name will not do here. Okay, There are many people still now who have logged in only with the name. Okay? See, tomorrow, if you're just doing the same, I will just simply remove you from the meeting or I will not allow you to join the meeting. Very simple. Likita, try to re-log in, it will get changed. Can't you see your name, Chitiki Reddy Yamuna? Can't you see your name? Why are you asking others? Just please cross check your own name. See, Oracle VirtualBox 6.1 or 6, that is okay, but not below that. See, whatever queries you have related to your PBL app, just put it in your discussion forum. Okay, there is a team to solve all your issues, and if you have any onboarding related queries, just mail to this manager.campus@wipro.com. Okay, I will help you in just solving out your technical queries. Have anyone studied any topics till now, guys? Have anyone studied your topics till now? Have you just gone through the topics? Yes, okay, good. Okay, good. See, whenever you have time, please just go through that. Okay, please go through the topics. Okay, and it will be very helpful for you when I'm teaching it. Okay, if I'm teaching and you don't know whatever I'm just teaching, no, it's very difficult. Okay, only if you have studied and if I'm teaching you the important concepts which is there, then that will be fine. Okay, so please go through the PBL app whenever you have time, at least for 1 hour. Just please go through. Okay, if I'm going to teach you today infra, then please go through infra the before day itself. Maybe for example, tomorrow I'm just going to teach you cloud, but there will be no content in cloud. So, like that, okay? If I'm teaching you infra, then I will just say you please just go through the topics then and there. Okay, maybe after your PJP training or before your PJP training starts. Okay, Paramjit, I'm not going to teach you entire thing. I will just teach you the important topics and whatever you have queries. That's it. See your syllabus. No, it's not your colleges, guys. Where we will provide you a PDF or a printout. This is your syllabus and this is your blueprint. Nothing like that. Okay, whatever contents you have in your PBL app, and that's it. And you don't have any reading materials other than PBL app. Okay, even if you can Google it and find it, but there are no PDFs which we will provide you. Okay, study this. From this only you will get. Mute yourself. Just give me a minute, guys. I'm just finding who's that. Okay, no, Lavanya, you cannot do that. Okay, as I said, you there'll be no WhatsApp group. If somebody is doing, I cannot do that same, no. So there'll be no WhatsApp groups, nothing. No, Ashpati, you have only this WebEx, and you can put it in the chat. I will respond you. Yes, Archana. If you have completed the task, then you should just stick on that, and that is fine. Check the box. Check the task which you have completed. That is enough. Or tomorrow we are going to discuss about cloud. If we are having some issues on the topics which you will not teach, can you answer it here? Yes. See, if I'm going to teach Unix basics, okay. For example, if I'm going to teach Unix basics, maybe for 3 days we will give you Unix basics, or 2 days you will give Unix basics. Okay, I'll be teaching you some topics, and other than that, if you have any queries, then we will discuss that particular topic also. Okay, that is how it will be. So that only I'm saying you to just go through the PBL app, and then only even you can, if you have any queries, you can ask me out here. Okay, so that's what. See, there is no mini projects, guys. You don't want to check all those that. Okay, just try to do the task which is there in every topics. If you go for the Unix basics, system administrator 1, you have a lot more topics. System administrator 2, you have a lot more topics. Just go with that alone. Yes, Samir, it is a good stream only. What is the doubt you have in that? Guys, I just said that I don't want any WhatsApp things to be discussed in my meeting. That's it. Okay, I don't want anyone to discuss in my meeting about your WhatsApp groups or something like that. Okay. See, I think Archana, I'm just saying you from the starting, just do the task and keep it ready. And once after, we are just enabling you to update the tasks whatever you have done. You can upload it. Okay. Till that, please wait. Currently, we are saying you to complete the task and keep it ready with you. See, I cannot talk about the designation and all, no. See, it's related to your project. Okay, I am here just a technical trainer. I don't know what is your project manager will think and all. No, you cannot. See, I think you cannot record your session. Okay, it's not possible. There will be no recording sessions provided to you also. See, all these queries you can ask to your PMO team or to your manager campus regarding your MTech degrees. Dikshita, I'm not sure about that. The person can mail to manager.campus. Any other queries? it will not affect your job and all, but at least you should be consistent. Okay, whenever you're not having assessments, whenever you're not having colleges, then please join the session. That will help you. Guys, I'm just repeating it again. I am your technical trainer. I cannot speak anything related to your career path or your project. Or what is the project you will be getting and all those stuffs. Okay? You should wait till you are joining Wipro and you should ask your project manager only. Okay, so from tomorrow onwards, we will start our session. Okay, and from tomorrow onwards, I'm not going to answer any such kind of questions, whatever, just rolling around in the chat. Okay, only if you have any technical queries, then we are going to discuss that. Okay, tomorrow, I will just provide you the topics what you want to study and all those that. Okay, so you can join in the same link, guys. Okay, it'll be in the you should join in the same link only. There is no confusions in the link. Okay, the same link. And then, who is this session is important than college exams? That you should decide. No, Dikshita, can I decide? Is that important or this is important? You should decide that. Yes, if you're not doing the task, then it will affect your onboarding. Okay, if you're not doing the task, then how come you will go and work in your project? Just think. Okay, guys. So I think no other queries. Then we can end the session here. Okay, we will join back by tomorrow 4 o'clock, 4 p.m. and we will discuss about the. I'll share you the schedule and we will discuss about the topics. Okay. So thank you all. You can leave the meeting. Thank you. Yes, with the same link. No attendance link, nothing. Okay, it will be automatically generated.